You are welcome to another tutorial by Data Lab Nigeria. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends in R programming to generate business insights. Google Trends is a website owned by Google that can be used to analyze popularity of search queries dropped on Google search. So these queries can be analyzed to generate strategic business insight for you and for your organization. Right now you may be new to Google Trends, but I'll just do a quick introduction of Google Trends to you. Then I'm going to show you some interesting things that you can use Google Trends to do as far as generating business insights is concerned. Google Trends can be a very helpful tool for doing strategic marketing research. You can use it to anticipate certain trends which will be very valuable for your business, for your marketing team, for your product development team. So let's jump right in. So you can use Google Trends data to gain insight into a new product or business idea. You can use these Google Trends to inform yourself about seasonal peaks within your industry by showing you popularity of search term. You can use it to generate even insight to optimize your search engine optimization and marketing strategies. So your marketing team can make use of insights you generate from this in order to make some strategic marketing strategies. You can also use it to find trending relevant topics within your industry for various use cases. You can use it to discover products or services that are more in demand by your target audience. All these are very relevant for business decisions. You can also use it for decision making, just as I've said, by comparing queries. So these are some of the interesting things that you can use Google Trends to do. You can really use it, to drive your business growth, to drive your sales and revenue. So right now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to dig deep, and to analyze this Google Trends data. So I'm going to show you how to use a tool used by data analysts or data scientists, which is R programming, to analyze this Google Trend data. Okay, so let's go on. Right now I'm in my Jupyter notebook, and right here I'm running R programming here. So the first thing you will want to do is to install the Google Trend package for R, and this is known as the Gtrends R. So you have to use install.packages, which is the code in R for installing packages. So you are going to install it. So I've already done that, so I'm not going to do it again. But if you write this code and you click, it's going to get it installed for you, and you are going to get some notifications. Now those notifications are not errors, so you don't need to bother about them. Okay, so the next step is to activate the library, which I'm going to click now to activate it. So right now I'm interested in comparing the business trends between skincare and laundry. So let's say I want to go into a business and I'm thinking of whether to go into a skincare business or to go into a laundry business. So I can use my data analysis skill using Google Trends with R programming to generate insights around these two industries, and that could reveal a lot of things to me that will inform my business decisions. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do here is that we are going to use the Gtrends now. I'm going to concatenate skincare and laundry and set the geo to be NG, which is Nigeria. So I'm analyzing these two search queries all across the Google search engine for how popular these two industries are, how lucrative they are. So I'm going to compare them with each other in order to know which one to go for, or which one is currently trending now, or which one is more in demand. Okay, so the geo is Nigeria, that is NG. So I'm going to click here and store the result as trends. So this is going to take some time, okay, to analyze at the back end. So I'm going to click here and the process will start now. Now the next thing I will want to do is to plot the trend in order to see the trend of things between these two industries, the skincare and the laundry. So let's go ahead and plot the trend. Okay, beautiful. So you can see the trend now, and so this is between 2018 to 2022. So as you can see it here, the red trend line is for laundry, while the greenish trend line is for skincare. You can see that over time, laundry since 2018 has been trending, has been more popular, has been more sized, has been more in demand across Google search compared to skincare. Okay, and even of recent, which is this year 2022, so you can see that the laundry is really up there compared with the skin care. Okay, so that shows you that over time laundry has been much in demand. So the next thing we are going to do is to make an interactive plot in R, and we want to make this graph to be more interactive. Okay, so as we have it now, it's still a static graph, but I would love to make it more interactive, and that is what we are going to do now. So the first thing you are going to do is to install the Plotly package, which is for graphics in R. So I've already done that, so I'm not going to do it again. So once you install it, it's going to give you some notifications. You don't need to bother about those notifications, just go ahead. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to activate the library, and I'm going to use it to plot the trends. So the trends that we plotted here the last time, now I'm going to replot it again here and store it as business trends. So I will run it, and you can see it again here. This is the same graph that we did earlier here. Okay, so but what I'm driving at is to now transform this graph into an interactive one using the Plotly package. So let's go right and do that. So right now I'm going to visualize it now using ggplotly. Okay, so it's going to take some time. So it's up now, and you can see it is very interesting, very much beautiful compared with this. Okay, so right now this is more interactive, as you can see. So you can check the trends from 2018 to 2022. Okay, so right now you can still see that the laundry business is more trending compared with the skincare business. Okay, and that has been over time. Okay, now even of recent, the laundry is still much more trending. People are demanding for more of that service. People are demanding for more of that compared with the skincare. Okay, so the skincare around 2020 matched up with the laundry, but since then it has declined progressively between 2021 to 2022. Okay, but over time the laundry business has been on the rise. So You as a data analyst or as a data scientist, you may want to advise your clients or your company that the laundry business is currently trending now and could be more profitable. Of course, there could be some other marketing research that could be done to further buttress these points, but as far as Google search trends is concerned, the laundry business has been on the rise in Nigeria and will be a profitable business, to look into. So I hope you really enjoyed this, and I hope to catch up with you next time. In the meantime, you can check our website here, and you can also follow us on our Instagram. So make your customer data work for you. Bye.